Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert landscape video to portrait on Kapwing. Kapwing is a modern browser-based video editing platform designed for the creators who want fast professional results without complex software. In order to convert your landscape video to portrait on Kapwing, you need to open any of the web browser you prefer. At the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of a Kapwing, what you can do is you can simply upload your video by going to this create view, or you can simply select one of the draft project. And over here, it will automatically ask you for the change the aspect ratio beside it here. What you can do is you can simply start with a blank canvas, or you can select for this one of the aspect ratio. Over here, you need to select to this 9 to 16 here. And this instantly switches your workspace to a vertical format. You can reposition and scale the video as well. And you can fix the empty side spaces. And you can also edit, you can add your audio, you can add subtitles here. You can choose a video as well. You can also select for the AI voices. You can select any of the AI voice from the Kapwing browser, and you can edit it. And over here, you can also put the text in the left hand side. You can find the text styles. You can also drag and drop any of the text here. Click onto this add text here, and it will automatically adds into this editing timeline. And after you're done with editing, what you can do is you can export your final video in the export project in the top right. And you can also select for the format of the JPG. You can select the resolution here, and you can select the type of video or image that you want to export it here. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to convert landscape video to portrait. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.